Hello buddy, this is Ryan, and I wanted to make a short video about the case study. I've received several phone calls and emails and people telling me they were having a hard time finding the documents, so I wanted to show you where they're at. So we're going to start off in Blackboard. I'm in Blackboard. We're going to go to the course shell. Then in the course shell, we're going to click on modules, and we're going to scroll down to module 11. And then this window will pop up. And what you're going to see here is 3 documents. And the trick to this is you'll see a scroll bar here, right here, that'll let you scroll up and down. So this first document happens to be the directions. Okay. If you want to see the whole document on its own page, if you click on this link right here, it'll expand it, and then you can print it off. And this is your case study directions. Please make sure you take a look at those. Now if I go back to the course shell, and if you'll see this first scroll down window bar here. If you go over all the way to the right, there's another scroll down. And as you see there, I pull it down and I go to another document. And like I said, there's 3. Here's your next document. And when I mouse over it, there's a scroll bar here that allows me to read it. There's also a window here, a button here that allows me to expand it out to be able to see the whole thing. So now you can see the whole case study itself. So I'll read through your case study. I'd recommend you print it out and mark it up. And then if you scroll down a little more, you go here to the right, and there's a final scroll bar. You'll scroll down. Here is your rubric. And again, you can expand it or you can scroll down. And here's your rubric. And I would take a look at this rubric. One thing I want to point out is just make sure you take a look at the rubric and the sections. Make sure you have every section here covered. And there is one section I want to point out to you. I get lots of questions about this. This is something that's commonly missed with a lot of students. And that has to do with, I think it's this one. Yeah. It has to do with the standards. And it talks about highlighting keywords. So when you're making your presentation, you have your standard, you should highlight keywords from that standard that occur throughout your presentation. So I just want to point that out to you. Make sure you print off the rubric. Here's a case study. Here's the directions. Again, it tells you about your slides. You should have a title slide, and here's your different sections. Again, you can add additional slides as needed. Remember, it needs to be less than 15 minutes. I don't want multiple presentations. One Google or one YouTube video that's 15 minutes long that covers your case study will be just fine. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But again, I wanted to make this video to kind of explain a few things to you. Again, if you go to your course shell, there's 2 sets of scroll bars here. There's this one. There's the one way over here on the right that allows you to scrub the whole window. So, hope this helps. If you still have problems, need help, let me know.